Yeah, no, 100%. And I spent October up in Spain as well, really getting my hands dirty. And anybody that knows me is I'm a hands-on CEO. So I like to understand every detail of the process and the mining. And so mostly we spend our time at the Carbine mine as our head office, we say. But just recently, we've now, because of the Spanish acquisition, we've decided to set up an office finally, right? So we we used to
Mm,
work out of the mine site. So Mount Carbine, it needs to grow further with more crushing, more. We need to get more tons through the operation. So that's Mount Carbine. But we have a very set path. We've already purchased the crushing equipment. There's a program to install it. So that's all happening this year at Carbine. Spain is all about the recovery. They have one of the most beautiful plants in the world. You know, it's probably 200 billion Aussie has been spent on that plant
mm,
over the years. And it's just a matter of putting the right pieces together in that operation and also with the technology up front, right? So what we see, one of the issues that we have, not to get too technical, but with scheelite in particular, it breaks very small every time you touch it. So the beauty of the ore sorting is you can keep it up at 30, 40 millimeter size range, take it out and then very gently crush that product downstream. So you don't have to over crush everything to bug dust and then lose it out the back door. So that's where we bring one of our advantages to Salero is to start to implement that technology that we're so used to.